In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up automated welcome email in Mailchimp. A welcome email is one of the most useful automations you can create in Mailchimp. It helps you greet new subscribers as soon as they join your list, and it gives them a clear first impression of your brand, your message, or your offer. We will go through the setup process slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. To begin, log into your Mailchimp account. Open Mailchimp in your browser and sign in using your account details. Make sure you are using the correct Mailchimp account for the audience you want to work with. Once you are logged in, you should land on your main Mailchimp dashboard. This is where you can access campaigns, automations, audiences, and other tools. Now that you are inside your account, look toward the left side of the screen for the Create button. It is usually shown with the pencil icon. Click the Create button to begin making something new inside Mailchimp. This button is used for starting different types of marketing content, so it is the right place to begin when creating a new automated email. After you click Create, Mailchimp will show you several options for what you can build. From these options, select Automations. This tells Mailchimp that you do not want to send a one-time email manually. Instead, you want Mailchimp to send an email automatically when a certain action happens. In this case, that action will be someone subscribing to your audience. Once you are in the Automations area, look for the workflow called Welcome New Subscribers. Choose that workflow. This is the automation template designed specifically for sending a welcome message to people who have just joined your list. It is a helpful starting point because Mailchimp already understands the basic purpose of the automation. You will simply configure it to match your audience, timing, and email content. Next, Mailchimp will ask you to select your audience. Choose the audience that contains the subscribers who should receive this welcome email. This part is important because the automation will only apply to the audience you select. If you manage more than one audience in Mailchimp, take a moment to confirm that you are choosing the correct one before moving forward. After selecting your audience, you will be taken into the automation setup area. Here you can configure how and when the welcome email is sent. Click Edit to adjust the email trigger settings. The trigger controls the timing of the automation. For a welcome email, a common option is to send the message immediately after someone subscribes. This means new subscribers receive your welcome email right away, while their interest is still fresh. Take a moment to review the trigger setting carefully. If the timing says immediately after subscription, that means Mailchimp will send the welcome email as soon as a person successfully joins the selected audience. This is usually the best option for a simple welcome automation. Once the trigger settings look correct, continue to the part where you create the actual email content. Now it is time to design your email content. This is the message your new subscribers will see in their inbox. Keep it clear, friendly, and useful. You can welcome the subscriber, briefly introduce what they can expect from your emails, and include any important information you want them to receive right away. Use Mailchimp's email editor to adjust the layout, text, images, and branding so the email matches the style you want to present. As you design the email, focus on making it easy to read. A welcome email does not need to be complicated. It should make the subscriber feel acknowledged and give them a simple next step or a clear understanding of what they have signed up for. When the email content is finished and everything looks the way you want, you are ready to activate the automation. The final step is to click Turn On. This activates the welcome email automation. Once it is turned on, Mailchimp will begin sending the welcome email automatically to new subscribers who join the selected audience, based on the trigger settings you configured. And that is all there is to it. You have logged into Mailchimp, created an automation, selected the welcome new subscribers workflow, chosen your audience, configured the trigger timing, designed the email content, and turned the automation on. That covers everything you need to know.